Hey, good morning, YouTube. We just focusing on my Jags this morning and their horde of babies. I was almost getting ready to do a water change when I figured out babies are all floating all over this tank. I got a low light on this right now because I ain't want to bring a bright light on it. And I look, babies are just floating all over the tank. And we're focusing on them right now, and they all babies are everywhere. I mean, look. These fry, I'm going to leave with them and see how they do with them. And it'll also stop them from breeding again if I take the baby so fast. So these fry will stay in the tank. I got some algae on the glass that I won't clean off. If you can see real good, let's see if we can see any babies. Most of a lot of them little bubbles are babies. That one right there. Yeah, it's got a lot of algae in the tank. That's a good thing. They can eat off of. Yeah, but like I say, every 28 days, if I take them babies out, they will lay eggs. She will lay eggs. And right now, it's just, oh my goodness, so many of them. Sorry about that glare. Taking this video while I'm sick. I'm supposed to be in bed. You know, but you know me, I can't stay in bed. I got to come down into the cave. You know, and while we focusing on these fry, we want to zip on over here to these fry. Now I got 3 different types of fry in here. I got red devils. I got Freddies. And I got flower horn fry in here. That's a Freddy right there in the back. That one way back there, coming up here now. That's a Freddy. That's a Freddy. And that's a short body flower horn. Short body flower horn. And that's a regular flower horn there. They all come up to the tank here, but when you move, they move. And these fry are going out very good. I'm very pleased with this batch here. That's a Freddy right there. He's growing really fast. That's one of the biggest ones in the tank. There's one back there. Got some nice size on them right there. Yeah, but he's one of the biggest I've seen yet in the tank. That's a short body flower horn right there in the middle of the screen. And that's another flower horn, but that's a long one, SRD. Super Red Dragon. And the goldfish, man, I keep him in here because he eat a lot of that waste for real. I've seen it. I dropped that little, you know, decoration in here. They swimming in and out of it. They seem to like it in the cave. Well, that's me. Still focusing on the fry here. It's just pandemonium, chaos in there. They everywhere. They are excellent parents, though, I tell you. And this video here was all about fry. So I thank you for watching. If you like it, hit that like button. Pray for me a speedy recovery, please. I need all prayers. All prayers are welcome. It's Chef Coop, 69 out.